This is Tatum, and today we're going to open Shopkins up. And it's been a while since I opened these up. So let's get started.
What season are these?
These are free, season free. And you gotta make sure this paper is like that. So we gotta open it. I gotta open it carefully, carefully, because my little brother is trying to go to sleep. Open up this. Open up. Open up. All the Shopkins. And this is the Shopkins list. Let's look. Hey, this is the mystery one, and I think it's the can. Let's open it. Help. And these are the new bags. A close up. That's the bag. And it's a shoe. I was wrong. So it's a shoe, a wing shoe. I can tell because it has a wing on it. Let me see what is on the list. It is not on the list. It's not on that list.
Let me see it.
Yeah.
Dinner for Rain.
Who's the cake one? Who's this cake one, Dada? Who's this cake one?
Cake one is... I'm looking. Windy Wedding Cake. Both of those are rare.
What about this one? Sugar. It's sugar, Daddy.
It says, oh, they're Pop Rocks.
Pop Rocks?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know Shopkins can.
And his name is Pop Rock. Next one.
Is this shit? What is this thing?
I don't know.
I bet it's Jello. The next one, buddy.
That is Humpty Dumpling.
Humpty Dumpling?
Mm-hmm. All right, what's the last one?
It's this, the umbrella.
The rain hat. Hattie hat.
Hattie hat. So these are super squishy. They always are. But I thought these were hard. So you might saw the other ones have those little those two bags, and this one only came with one, and it had a bottom hard one. So bye. Have a nice day.